Today on The Explainer, we're unpacking a huge financial idea using a really simple story. So imagine someone offers you this choice. It seems equal, right? But is it really? Well, this is the exact dilemma our character Suresh faces from his friend, Ravi. Suresh starts thinking, what could he do with that 10,000 rupees right now? He realizes he could put that money to work, earning interest in a bank. And boom, after a year at 10% interest, his money becomes 11,000 rupees. Okay, but what if he picked option 2 and just waited for the money? If he waits, he just gets the original amount. He totally loses the chance to earn extra. Let's look at the two outcomes. The choice becomes pretty obvious when you see it like this. This simple but really powerful idea, well, it actually has a name. It's called the time value of money. Basically, money today is worth more than the same amount later. So why is today's money more valuable? Well, there are 3 big reasons for this. And listen, this isn't just some theory. You see it in action all around you. It's why banks pay interest, investments grow, and lenders charge interest on loans. So you can think of time as a key ingredient that adds value to your money. The main takeaway? Money today is just more powerful because it has the potential to grow. See, your time has value. The real question is, how will you put your money to work?